Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one we're going to do Diagnostic Imaging dataset. And the description here is on the screen, so pause it to have a quick read. So let's dive in. We've got data going back to 2012, so over 10 years of data at the time of recording. 1.7 million rows over 18 tables. They're all, or nearly all of them, are still adding new data every month. So you've got the descriptions there. Now I'm not going to query all of them for this video because there's too many, so I'm just querying a few, and if you want to get really into it, give us a ring or email and we'll set you up with a free trial and you can have a play. So just querying a few. Activity by modality and source setting. So you've got this sort of data here that you can see. Those are the modalities and those are the patient source settings. This one, activity by modality, it's got that and the organisation code as well. And organisation code in that first one too. Commissioner standard rates by cancer test. There's the cancer tests by commissioner. Median days request to test by modality. So that's this, as it says. As you can see, lots of other tables. Have a play. Give us a shout for a free trial so you can have a proper look. Thanks.